All right, guys, it's still raining. I just came from what do you call that place, Muncie, but now we're in Hartford City, Indiana. It's a nice place here. Did you see all that? Look at that. Some historic building, and that's their I think that's a courthouse. Looks so nice. I don't know how old is that, but it looks so nice. Let's kind of explore the city, even if it's raining, you know. I mean, I keep wiping my lens, but it looks nice. The city here. It's a small exploration here because it's kind of small. Let's go around that and check it out. Look at that. That looks nice. All right. All right. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Yeah, it's really nice. All right. Hartford City, Indiana. Looks nice. Look at that. The houses looks like the old West before. And they have their own Hartford hardware. All that. Okay. Let's just
next left onto West Main Street.
Okay. Let's just check this. All right, let's see. Oh man, yeah, that's nice. They got antique mall. That looks nice. Hang on, let me turn this off. All right, hang on for a second. This turn, that looks nice. Look at that. Oh man, I don't know how old is this building. It looks so beautiful. All right. Oh man, look at that old. This is Hartford, Indiana. It's nice. Yeah. Let's just walk around the city. Maybe it's raining. It's cold. It's like 40 degrees. But look at that. All that. That looks nice. It's like I don't know how old is that building gonna be. It's so nice, you know. But it's cold. Oh, I love this city. Let's go around over there. Let's go around.
West Main Street toward North Jefferson.
What is this? Is still. All right, just keep on doing this. My GPS keep telling me where to walk. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, it's a small town. Good. Man, I keep wiping this lens. Yeah. Ooh. Did you see all this? Nice. Now. Yeah. I could see the architecture. Let's go check the architecture. Yeah. It looks so beautiful here. They got their hometown hero, Leon Alexander and Harlis Schwarzkopf. Yeah. Ooh. Looks nice here. Man, I wish it's not raining. Oh man, how old is this building? Let's go check this out, this architecture. Yeah, it's really nice here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah. Look at all that. I'm gonna wipe the lens again. Like that. Look at that. It's an old movie house. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that architecture. Hartford City, downtown. Look at that. It's old. Look at that. Nothing. Oh man, it's boarded up, but man, you still. Look at that. That's really nice. I got the old architecture. All right, let's wipe it down again. All right, I wiped out again. I wiped it out. All right, let's go. Oh man, look at that. And they got a cathedral out there, I think. Look at that. It looks nice. Man, it's like the wild west, you know. Back when the stagecoach be driving, I bet you there's stagecoach right here driving before with you know, caravan and cowboys and pioneers. Yeah. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I bet you. There'd be like a horse buggy here, and before it was not paid before. I bet you they got another hometown hero. Oh yeah, looks nice. Oh, this little park right here, nice. Yeah, man, they got some nice architectures here. Look at all that. Very nice. Yeah, 1901. Oh, look at this. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna wipe it down again. Oh, nice. Imagine before. Look at that. That looks so beautiful. God. Nice. Alright, let's cross the street. Oh, this place is so beautiful. The architecture's old architecture. And I'm cold. I could take. I love cold weather. But anyway, yeah, guys, this is a short exploration of this city, but it looks good. Yeah, look at that. Did you see that? Look at that architecture. Magic Corner Santa right here. Look at that. Nice. Oh man. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna close this one out because it's really pouring hard. I'm heading up north and it's gonna be so cold out there. Just coming in from Muncie. So until next adventure, I'll close this one out. See you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos. Alright, let's wipe the lens again.